to show you all this van. I'm going to start at the back this time. In the back, we've got the garage, which is going to give you a little bit of area back here for storage. There's the hose for the outdoor shower. Super easy to use. This just hooks in, turns on. Look at that. Look at that water pressure, baby! All right, this just goes back in there. There's an outlet in the back as well, light switches. All right, let's get these puppies closed and show you what's on the outside. So we have the La Saguaro tire carrier, dual one-up bike trays, the Expedition box from Owl Vans, tons of storage inside of there. There's a 2-gallon gas tank mounted to the back of that. These are the flares from Flare Space. These are the ones for a Sprinter 144. It's got the bunk window inside. The side ladder from Flatline is mounted to the side rack, or the roof rack from Flatline as well. There's an Agile off-road lift. Method wheels, and those have the ridge grapplers on them. On the front of this van, we've got the light bar up top. Baja LP6 lights. Those are mounted to the CA tuned bumper. There's a Warn winch as well. The awning is mounted to the roof rack. Side steps make it super easy to get into these taller vans. On the inside, we have swivel seats on both the driver and passenger. The Lagoon table is going to fold out, giving you extra workspace, snacking space. Speaking of snacking, there's a fridge freezer combo in here. And a spice rack. Down below is the cassette style toilet. In the first overhead cupboard here is the control panel, the inverter, hot water, water pump, and battery monitor. This switch is going to go to the auto drain. That is going to drain your gray tank from the inside of the van. These are for the Starlink that's mounted to the roof. In the ceiling is the Max Air fan that's going to exhaust all the hot air out. And the Nomadic X2 is in the back, pumping in tons of cool air. There's a microwave up top, ample overhead storage space, a mounted TV. We do put the strap on there so that it's not wiggling around while it's moving. That could damage the van or the TV. There is a dinette in this build. As you can see, it's in bed form now. And let me show you the dinette. All right, and the dinette. I wanted to thank you for joining Papago Vans for another Van Tour Tuesday. We will see you next week.